Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kajela Conrad Sangma ula krenshai begitu ki bampat don yu Aadhaar card kindu lot ye kijing mentai bat ki Skhim Bapher kam tam ki Skhim ki bawan ka Sorkar Pdeng. Conrad Sangma ula kren ye gani ha kijing alang block level community interaction program lingba ka CM connect keblalong ha ka atpusau tarik ukula lingkot arja arpusan ha kashnong pamdaba ranikor Southwest Khasi Hills district ha kijing don lang uba Pius Marwen MLA ka ranikor constituency Ba renik dan lingdok tongkar MLA ke Maukerwan, bat usampat kumar Principal Secretary CNRD Department, hadian bakawai ke long kemi kalapun sengau hakmat Menteri Rangba, bat ki pat ba, baki don ki brio hapok shnong ki bampat le yu Aadhaar card, ban penlong yaki bandu no yaki Skhim Sorkar ki badai ban yo. Halor kata jingkali Menteri Rangba ula yo ban pensyai bahagari India berok kawai, ke jela Meghalaya ke dei Setang Maka ke jela ke bampat pendap yu Aadhaar. Ulai thuru baka Sorkar India kala ailat ya ke jela Meghalaya hadu ulai senam ban pendap, bat kumbalong menta ke jing pendrung yu Aadhaar kala kieu syaka prapo persen, bat kidon setang kumba arpau hadu arpesan persen ai ki bomle, hendai nakal yang ke Sorkar India kala kerensyai, ba an amdan Skhim shu ya ki bomdan Aadhaar. Menteri Rangba ulai thuru baka Sorkar jela kala persyang banyak keren bat ke Sorkar India, hendai ke Sorkar kemi hakani ke genti ke bamenta kam sengap shu. Kumta sa sisian pat Menteri Rangba ringkat uba Pius Marwen kila kentu jor ki pat ba ka ranikor constituency bat ke jela hi barok kawai bagi diban le ano yu Aadhaar kenang bakin yo ki jingyarap Bapher dak bakin turu bakim dei syu ban sngap ne sya yalam bakla bau Aadhaar udei uta u number jung usaitan bat kiwe
Long jangi ki Pdeng ban syamnya u Aadhaar card ka penlong yaki bandu no yaki Skhim Sorkar Kiba baki dai ban yo te ki ei kelat kelenti ba pianap nak benta jongki.
There are so many people who are still against for having Aadhaar card. So what is the solution on this? Whether we can still continue to get scheme because there is no Aadhaar.
No, I'm giving the mic to you only. So you have to explain. But I'm introducing you. CNRD Department Principal Secretary. So this Aadhaar card issue, he is a person who is the main person. So Sampath, explain this and then you can translate into Khasi.
So actually, to everyone, Aadhaar is a unique ID card now. It has been mandated to everyone in the country. So we have been requesting Government of India for last many years to give some exemption, and they have been giving exemption for some time. But it has come to a time now we reached a stage where everyone has got Aadhaar except few places like in Meghalaya where people are still having some challenge in Aadhaar. So what we have been doing, sir, actually we are going asking all the Ranbashnas, especially Darbars and the headman, village headman of Mas, they have to have actually understand that Aadhaar is a very important thing. Aadhaar is not something, it's a good because Aadhaar ensures that your money will come directly to your account. If the Aadhaar is not there, your money can go to some other's account. Your wages can go to others' account. So Aadhaar is a good thing. So this is some misconceptions were brought in because of some social media posts and all. But otherwise, many places actually people are taking Aadhaar. Already, even in Meghalaya, almost 80% of our people have got Aadhaar. Only 20% still have a challenge. So I think.
Just to answer your question, in the whole country, Meghalaya is the only state left which has not completed Aadhaar. Meghalaya is the only state. We have 20 to 25% people who don't have Aadhaar. So everybody in the country has taken Aadhaar except Meghalaya. Number two, Government of India has been asking us for the last 3 years to complete Aadhaar. We were at 25%, 30% coverage. Today we are at 80% coverage. Means we have improved. So in the last 3 years, Aadhaar has gone up. But Government of India has made it clear. No more scheme if no Aadhaar. Government of India. So now in a VEC, if in one VEC there are 20 members, even if one member does not have Aadhaar and 19 have Aadhaar, the whole VEC will not get money. This is the problem we are facing. And Government of India is not agreeing anymore. So my request, the people who are in the VEC, who have taken Aadhaar, and you can see there is no problem, in fact you are getting benefit only. Please convince the others also who are left, one or two, you have to go. So this is a good platform to tell everybody, as Chief Minister I'm telling you, Principal Secretary CNRD is telling you, no Aadhaar, no scheme in the future. Very difficult. We can request Government of India, but Government of India is not giving. So we are also in problem. Because why? Because whole country already Aadhaar, everybody has taken, except Meghalaya. So please, I request you all this misconception and stories about Aadhaar linked with something is totally wrong. There is nothing in it. Whole country has adopted it. Meghalaya is the only one left out. And we've been trying, but now Government of India has blocked. So if we want development programs, schemes to continue, we have to go for Aadhaar.
Saya dengan Principal Secretary, kami kecilnya juga Sorkar Meghalaya, kami kawan dengan nak Sorkar India. Kita operasi nak Sorkar juga Meghalaya yang mentala Arsenen, dari nak Sorkar India kalau ada deadline makin syasuk, abai day berkasih skim Sorkar Pdeng pada kan Aadhaar. Kumai yang Chief Minister beramburan kejumiru, lapan syai mata. Kejala kejungi hak ni Islam ke pelalai, Hambun Kiba Pdeng yang Aadhaar, dari dangdon pat Kiba haduk manta kimpat Pdeng. Dikani kalau kecing penduk yang skim Sorkar Pdeng habai day berkasih kathau kaba wan hak blok nak tanpa kejumpi. Benar kali jongaru yang kani kerpat kumbajupat nak kapor sakapor yang ki nongsong hi berok kawai, namargi suho bahaki skim Bapher laban nong kapia mewai kaba ngidon hakales kibal perumacuan dari klaim ke Aadhaar ni masuk benyai benai mentaya kinongiem but eki scheme habai dai bekas nongru. There is one villager under the scheme of MG and REGS here in Umpung. They got this swimming pool, a big swimming pool maybe in the state. That one is the biggest now. It's constructed with this from the blocks of from the MG. But just they don't. Most of the people they don't accept Aadhaar. Now the scheme has not going on out there. There are, even myself also. I request to the people all over in my constituency only. Please don't believe that regarding that. They believe that if Aadhaar is there, then there's some mistaken. They will enter to their account or to anything. But I try to explain to all of them. This is just a rumor. Di kumangala tepat bakane ka jikut syai bapai dei baka Aadhaar bakalong dakumne kumpai ba pinget bakadei kajing yalam bakla andre kumbala tepat yang Chief Minister jungi bakatam hakiwe ki jela kila priangut de tanga ka jela ka jungi barang sa tangkat to kani tingenget pada kale kejopi kajing shone ka Aadhaar kamte ka no kadei naka jing mentoi bat kajing bha bat na kampam ki scheme kumbala on Principal Secretary ba habai dei baki pisaru kamrung so akaum jumno juno ada don ka Aadhaar kamut kai pe haka